Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your ZOLO Liberty Plus earbuds with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, then close this case and simply open it. In the most cases, this earbuds starts blinking like that. When you remove the left and the right one, they will turn to the pairing mode automatically. But if you want to move them manually to the pairing mode, you have to click and hold on these two touchpads for at least 5 seconds to turn them on or off. And by turning them on or off manually, you will also activate the pairing mode. So as you can see, in my case, I don't have to press on them because they are already in the pairing mode because the indicators are blinking. So we have to open the settings on our iOS device, then go to the Bluetooth, click on the switcher to activate Bluetooth, and now just wait until the ZOLO Liberty Plus pops on the list. Select them from the devices list, and as you can see right now, we set up the Bluetooth connection. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.